Hey, hi guys, I am Nitish and welcome back to the channel everyone. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make QR code for your Wi-Fi password. Okay, first of all let's talk why we need that. So whenever your family, friends or your relatives ask for the Wi-Fi password, you have to give them in the text format. But what if you can share the Wi-Fi password or Wi-Fi username password both in the form of QR code by scanning or by just clicking it once. Today in this video I'm going to show you that how to make QR code for your Wi-Fi password, and I'm going to show you doing on my PC. You can do the same process in your phone as well and get the QR code generated. And from this website you can find for making the QR code for your social networking sites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. And today's video is mainly concerned with making the QR code for Wi-Fi password, so I'll be showing that. If you are new over here, then you can subscribe this channel because I bring such videos, and if you're finding this video interesting, then you can hit that like button. Now let's get straight into my PC for the tutorial. Here we are on my computer screen, and in the URL box you have to write qrstuff.com, and you can follow the same process in your phone as well as I have told you. And here is the website like this, and this is the website. Now here you can find the options for various things like your website URL, social networking site, YouTube and other thing as well. But here is Wi-Fi login, so I'm gonna show that. Okay, so I'll click on that, and here is a network name, that is SSID name or network name. Write your network name over here, and there is a password, so just fill up that. Okay, so now choose the network type over there. So network type is WPA2 generally, and here is the QR code generated, and this is the only QR code, and you can download that as well from there by clicking there. Okay, so I'll open and show you. Okay, so this is the downloaded one, and this is how you can do. And now I'm going to show you by scanning through my phone. So okay, I'll scan over here, and you can see that the same thing is away, and you connect this network. You can just connect from there by clicking there. That's how you can make QR code for your Wi-Fi password and can share with anyone. I have showed you, and thank you very much for watching this video. If you are new over here, then please do subscribe, and you can hit that like button if you like this video. If you did not like, then you can hit that dislike button. Thank you very much for watching.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.